Hi, I'm the founder and CEO of Sensereo Limited. At Sensereo, we are a company building next generation environmental intelligence. By environmental intelligence, we mean to help people better understand the living environment. So today we are bringing our modular designed air quality monitoring system. So the system consists of a charging dock and three kind of different parts.
And how does it connect? Why you put three of them?
It's just can be put here. It's just for charging. All of our sensor parts are battery powered and last for 30 days. Actually, I think we are the first company in the world to have a PM, which is a dust sensor, to be battery powered. And what's amazing about this modular design system is that you can choose to customize and expand the system based on your needs. For example, one day you become a 3D printing enthusiast. You can choose to add a TVOC sensor that will monitor the chemicals caused by your 3D printer. So all of our sensors connected wirelessly over thread. It's a low power consumption and it can last for 30 days. And we have our app to better help you to understand all the numbers. It will give you advice based on your life needs.
Is this the name? Airo?
Yeah, the name of our product is called Airo, A-I-R-O.
And it says the first air quality monitor designed to fit the way you live.
It's a customized idea. Basically, you can distribute the sensor based on your needs. Because each room has different source of pollution, you don't need all of them to be put in one room. So this is our brands work with the three different very high quality like Bosch. They are our provider for the sensor. We are co-branding with Bosch and Sensereo and Figaro to promote this. And besides that, I want to add that our sensors can connect natively to Apple Home, Google Home, or smart home infrastructure without additional app needed. And also on the AI part, we are partnering with this Huri company. They are a AI terminal builder, so they want to have an agent that can interact with people. Our sensor providing the physical world data input into that AI system to help them to better interact with humans. So,
so she could tell you, hey, close the window, there's too much pollution.
Yes, exactly.
Or she can say, open the window, we need fresh air.
Exactly. And he can know when the air becomes bad, he can notify you on your phone and can interact with you with a facial expression or something like that. For example, it has a lot of sensor built in there already. If I say, hey, Huri. Oh, you can swing.
Wow. Yeah. Hey, Huri. Who's the best tennis player?
No, because the internet here is very, very bad. They cannot.
Okay.
Yeah.
At least they can turn. That's crazy.
Yeah, and also
so that's your partner.
Yeah, this is our partner.
They here?
Not here today.
Not here. Yeah. So it's the idea is to get assistant in the home, but also to get smart measurements. What is a PM value? What other measurement you can do? Temperature, humidity?
So currently you have 4 sensors. The first one is CO2, carbon dioxide. When you feel stressed or tired, it's because CO2 is too high, probably.
Headache, maybe.
Yeah. And also for the PM, you can detect if there's a smoke caused by wildfire outside your window, you can automate to turn off the window.
Or if it's just your mom who's smoking in the house.
Maybe, if you are a smoker. And also for the TVOC, it's a kind of chemical. If you are just done cleaning, put those pesticides, or you are using 3D printer, that's the example I gave before, it will cause TVOC level to go up. And also we have a temperature humidity sensor. This is for temperature and humidity. This is very small, very nimble. Battery lasts for 6 months.
But each of them do different things?
Yeah.
Or they do the same things?
They do different things. And you can choose whatever sensor you want. You can have 2 PM in your home, 1 in bedroom and 1 in living room. And you can choose to put CO2
and TVOC?
Yeah, it's a chemical.
Chemical test. And this?
This is the temperature and humidity.
All right. How accurate is it?
We are partnering with the world-class sensor makers such as Bosch, so our sensors is very, very accurate.
And what do you show on the video?
On the video, basically we are showing the user case, the scenario. We are showing our app as well. For example, here you can see that this guy is checking the numbers, right? There's a trend and historical data for the thing. And we'll give you the solution of the air quality. Well, basically, we will be your AI expert in the air area.
And I see here it says, follow us on Kickstarter pre-launch.
Yes.
So what does that mean? You're planning Kickstarter?
Yeah, we are going to do a pre-starter launch by the end of March. Currently, we're having pre-launch. If you want to get notified when we launch Kickstarter, just sign up with the QR code. I think our first backers will get discount.
And there will be like a kit, and the kit will be at a good price.
Yeah, so we are targeting the kit of this set, 4 sensors, also with a charging deck, to be under $200.